Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, April 23rd, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. It was a crazy day today. You know, we came into today with 36 positions, and you know, when you have those many positions, if the market just sneezes, your equity just goes all over the place. And so it was pretty wild today. It was up and down. I started watching it right after the open. We had like $30,000 in open trade equity, and I basically went to the kitchen, poured a cup of coffee, and I came back and it was down to 3,000. I mean, it was just unbelievable. We had some very wild swings in individual markets, and we were plagued today with negative trades. I was quite surprised. We had 35, we closed out 35 trades, and 21 were losers. Only 14 were winners, when normally that would just result in an absolutely horrible day, but we got lucky on a couple markets. And as a result, even with that bad winning trades to losing trades ratio, we ended up closing out over $2,000. I mean, we had like $30,000 in winning trades and $28,000 in losing trades. That's how we come up with that $2,000 figure. So, you know, wasn't a very satisfying day. We are carrying over $7,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. And as I say, we had a handful of really good trades, but boy, did we have a pile of bad ones. Anyway, let me show you the charts.
Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you know, the problem we had today is we just didn't have any follow through from this move up. I mean, if we would have had any kind of follow through at all on that, we would have done absolutely spectacular with 35 positions. If we could have had a market, if the Dow had gone up 20 points, we would have done just great. But it didn't go up 20 points. It ended up closing down 12. It went into this just pathetically sideways narrow range, and it was negative the entire day. So we just didn't get the follow through we needed. But as I say, we still managed to get out of the day with some small profits, but it was kind of disappointing because when we have 35 positions, that we can make a lot of money if we get any kind of follow through at all. Well, we didn't get it. However, I would also quickly add that the bears sure didn't have a good day today either. This market wasn't going down. It's definitely going sideways. I don't know. I would say tomorrow it's either going to continue this sideways pattern tomorrow or it'll go up. I don't see the market going down from here. That doesn't look like a down market at all to me. I'll show you a couple of our interesting trades. You know, we could have had a bad day today if it hadn't been for this market. This is GW Pharmaceuticals, and again, you've heard me talk about people are afraid to buy gaps in these markets. Well, this market had a huge gap yesterday. It's absolutely huge. Great. I think that may have been due to earnings reports or something like that, and we buy it, you know, not particularly at a great price, and we hang on to this, and this thing actually closed against us yesterday. It gaps up again today and keeps moving up, and we closed out over $12,000 in this trade. And that without that $12,000, we definitely would have had a negative day today, but this was a great trade. When that thing was up here, I think we were over $15,000. I took a screenshot and posted it. So GW Pharmaceuticals was the hero of the day. I'll show you one more here, and this was just a little bit frustrating. This is PRTA, and that's Prothena. And we had bought this yesterday, and again, it basically closed neutral on us, but it just exploded today. When it was up here, this thing was up around $11,000-$12,000, and it pulled back, unfortunately. But we're still holding over $5,000 on Prothena. So, God, I just hope we, maybe it'll move higher tomorrow. We just, as I say, we're holding a lot of money in it right now, but we gave up a lot from up here. Anyway, so it was kind of a frustrating, profitable day. That's the way I'd summarize Wednesday. But it is our third profitable day in a row, and I will not complain about that. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.